Stop everything. Right now. If you are sitting in the United States and thinking about spending your hard-earned money on a new desktop computer, you are about to make a massive, irreversible mistake. We are standing on the edge of the single most aggressive product shift in the history of the Mac. The rumors flying out of Cupertino this morning are not just about incremental upgrades. They are about a total, violent overhaul of what a compact computer can do. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just a new chip in the same small box. This is a foundational shift in computing. If you buy a Mac Mini M4 today, you will regret it by this time next year. We have exclusive intelligence from the supply chain, the benchmarkers, and the deep cover insiders. We are going to break down exactly what Apple is building, why it's designed to dominate the US market for the next 5 years, and why the fusion architecture of the M5 is about to make your current PC look like a relic from the 90s. Let's get into the heart of the beast. The current Mac Mini is already a powerhouse, but its ancient history in the eyes of Apple's engineering team. They are currently finalizing the M5 series, and the headline is simple. Artificial intelligence is no longer an optional feature. It is the core of the machine. The M5 chip is not just M4 plus 10%. It is a 3-nanometer, N3P monster built entirely around the Apple Intelligence Revolution. The neural engine inside the M5 is rumored to be 4 to 6 times faster than anything we've seen before. Why does a desktop need that much AI power? Because by 2027, you won't be manually organizing your life. The M5 chip will be running large language models, LLMs, locally, on your desk, not in the cloud, privately and instantly. To handle this, the leaked files confirm that Apple is officially killing the 8GB RAM era. The M5 Mac Mini will finally start at 16GB of unified memory as the absolute baseline, with the Pro models jumping to 32GB or 64GB. If you've been struggling with memory pressure on your Mac, those days are over. But the real mic drop moment is the M5 Pro's Fusion architecture. This is a state-of-the-art design that connects 2 silicon dies into a single, massive SoC. This isn't just a chip. It's a supercomputer that fits in your palm. We are looking at an 18-core CPU, featuring 6 super cores and 12 performance cores. In the US, where we demand peak performance for 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and high-end software development, this Mac Mini Pro is designed to replace the Mac Studio for 90% of users. Let's talk about the design. After the massive 5x5-inch redesign in 2024, Apple is sticking to the minimalist, space-saving aesthetic. But they are focusing on the internals of the future. We are talking about Thunderbolt 5 ports, with data speeds up to 120 gigabits per second. Your external drives will now be as fast as your internal storage. For American creators who rely on external SSD arrays, this is the holy grail. No more bottlenecking, no more waiting. And for the gamers, yes, Apple is finally taking you seriously. The M5 GPU scales up to 40 cores in the max configurations, with second-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing. This Mac Mini will be able to run AAA titles like GTA 6 or Resident Evil with better-than-console graphics, silently on your desk. It is a Trojan horse for the living room. But there is a catch.